I'm using my Sony DCR PC55 Handycam, and we're going to be testing out the Sony ECM-HST1 active interface shoe microphone. It has a setting on the back for 90 degrees or 120 degrees. Here's the proprietary connector for the hot shoe. Comes with a windsock and a little carrying bag. So here's some music with the built-in microphone. And this is the external microphone in the 90-degree setting. And this is the external microphone in the 120-degree setting. And this is with no background music or noise, using the external microphone in the 90-degree setting to see how much tape and motor noise it picks up from the camera. And now it's in the 120-degree setting. Back to 90-degree setting. And now back to the built-in microphone.
She called her brother and said, "You have
built-in microphone.
You have to perform this." And he did. He conducted it at every Christmas until he passed away. And now, this is one of the most performed choral works by a living American composer for you to have for your
external
own
microphone,
collection.
90-degree
Give
setting.
$10 a month right now to keep the music alive and strong on WQXR, and we'll thank you with this custom-created Robert Shaw Master of the First Art CD.
120-degree setting.
Online at WQXR.org or by calling 888-813-1059.
And this is 90-degree setting with the windsock on to see if it makes any difference in the sound when there's no wind. And this is with the windsock on with no background music. 90-degree setting. And there's how it looks attached to the camera with the windsock on. It looks a bit unbalanced to have such a big microphone on top of such a small camera, but as you can see, the camera is still able to stand up by itself. There it is with the windsock removed. And you are able to twist this, so in case some reason you have a need to angle it to the back, you can do that. And just for comparison, I now have it attached to this camera, which is a Sony DCR-HC96 MiniDV tape camcorder. So you can compare the quality of the internal and external microphone on both of these camcorders. Now 120-degree setting. Back to built-in microphone. Here's a wind noise test with the HC96's front-facing built-in microphone. This is the external microphone without the windsock in the 90-degree setting. And this is the external microphone with the windsock, 90-degree setting. Just remove the windsock. And back to the built-in microphone. This is not a cheap microphone, brand new. They cost around $120 to $130. I got this one used for less than half that price. So hopefully this video will help you decide whether or not it's worth the money. So that's the Sony ECM-HST1 stereo microphone for the active interface shoe.